Hello and welcome. My name is Ali Goff. I'm the owner and founder of Goff Legal. We do estate planning, trust administration, and probate in California. This video is to explain the difference between an irrevocable trust and a revocable trust. We get this question a lot, so I thought it'd be useful to pop on and share a quick explanation. As the name sort of implies, an irrevocable trust is irrevocable and cannot therefore be changed. A revocable trust can be revoked, amended, or changed. And so we have those two sort of distinctions. So irrevocable can't change, revocable can change. Seems simple, right? Yeah, but there's a few distinctions and a few clarifications that I'd like to go over. When people come to us and they want to avoid probate, hold money in trust for their minor children if something happens to them, protect beneficiaries in some aspects, sometimes even remarriage protection. Oftentimes we live in this revocable land. The settler will come to us and say, or our client slash settler, the person who is creating the trust, wants to set it up today. They want this person in charge, they want these beneficiaries, and here's how this is all going to go. Well, sometimes they change their mind. And so we want the flexibility so that our client can change the trustees, change the beneficiaries, change the terms of the trust, add things, take things out, do whatever they need to do to really make sure that their family situation matches their estate planning documents. This is very akin to your will you can change, your power of attorney, your healthcare directive. Almost all of these documents, as normally drafted, are revocable and can be changed as long as the settlor has capacity to do so. When we live over here in the irrevocable trust land, it often is for a couple different scenarios. One, asset protection. If we're talking about trying to make sure that your assets are protected from a future litigation or future issue, you can put money in or assets into an irrevocable trust and protect them. Obviously, there's some rules and some guidelines. It's not as easy as that, but that's sort of the general idea. Also for estate tax planning, sometimes we gift away money so that it's out of our estate, so that it doesn't count towards the lifetime exemption that we have with the federal government, but it goes into an irrevocable trust. You can't change it because it's now outside of your estate. If I could have a cool bubble and pop up and go, it's gone now. Special needs is a third scenario in which we see irrevocable trust. So if someone is involved in an accident and receives a settlement, we will oftentimes create an irrevocable trust, sometimes known as a first party special needs trust, so that it's protected so they can receive needs-based benefits. If a family member creates a trust for someone else, it is a third party special needs trust. Fun fact. Third-party special needs trust can either be revocable or irrevocable. So don't get too caught up on all the details. Just know that your attorney should walk you through what are the risks and the benefits of each kind. I hope that was helpful in terms of what is an irrevocable trust and the difference of a revocable trust. All right. Thanks for listening.